Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. I feel like I have not vlogged in so long, you guys, but let me do my little quick intro. My name is Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique, if this is your first time watching. If not, then welcome back, y'all. So it is December 2nd, I believe it is. So we're gonna hope this video goes out on December 3rd, okay? So I have been debating if I wanted to do Vlogmas because it is so much commitment, and for me it can be a lot vlogging every single day, but I'm going to attempt it, right? Attempt it. At first I was going to do the 12 days of Christmas, so yeah, we're gonna attempt this. I may not say I'm not gonna vlog every day, however I'm just gonna try to get out, I'm going to get out 3 videos a week. But yeah, this road is so bumpy. So as you guys saw this morning, I did a workout. I'm doing a workout plan by I Am Solid Rock Fitness. I think that's this IG name. I'm Solid Rock Fitness or something like that. If I remember, you guys, I'll put it down below in the comment section. So yeah, I'm on day 4 of that workout plan, y'all. Day 4. Day 1 was tough. Not even gonna lie. Day 2 was okay. Day 3 was like HIIT cardio, so that wasn't bad. HIIT cardio. And today we went back to regular workouts. But y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I woke up this morning and I did not want to. I'm so sorry, my camera's so shaky. I forgot how it is to vlog in the car. But on day 4 I just didn't want to work out, and it's probably because I didn't go to bed till like 1 o'clock last night because I was watching my 600 Pound Life last night, but it's the series Where Are They Now, and I was just like committed to watching it last night. So I didn't go to bed till like, I didn't get in the shower till probably after 11, and probably didn't go to sleep till after 1. My alarm clock went off at 6:30 this morning, and I'm just like, yeah, not here for it. So I'm gonna have to finish the second part of the workout. But if you're not following me on IG, go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram. My name is the same as YouTube, TheJenniferMonique. Follow me on there. This week I'm currently just posting for commitment reasons, and oh, what is that in the road? But after that, your girl's gonna be back on IG, so just go ahead and go follow your girl. Pause this video, go follow, and then come back. So yeah, guys, we're about to get this started. I'm about to go get me something to eat because I'm so hungry. When I say hungry, y'all, I am starving. It is time for me to eat, but I'm hungry. I'm getting ready to go to Zoe's, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's Z-O-E-S. Some people pronounce Zoe's and some people call it Zoe's. I just feel like if it's Zoe's, it should be I-E, but I-E, but whatever. Zoe's Kitchen, they have this bomb, y'all, bomb quinoa salad. So I'm about to head there to get that for lunch, and then I'm going to head back to work. Guys, it is later on in the day. Let me just move you guys. Ooh, my elbow ashy, y'all. Anyway, let me zoom in. Yo, this bump on my face though. But anyway, it is later on in the evening. It is 9:27 p.m. and I'm just now eating dinner, y'all. I made some tacos. I just woke up this morning and I really wanted tacos. So I just decided when I got to work to come make tacos. But I could have got home earlier, but me and my coworker, we were outside standing outside talking. I'm currently editing this engagement video. It was supposed to have been up, but I never edited it. Edited, whatever, y'all know. I never finished it. So I'm finishing up now. So I'm actually about to eat and finish editing this video, and I'm probably gonna upload this my engagement video tonight, even though it's like 9:30. So I'm probably not gonna be finished to almost 10. If I can hurry up and do a cute what's those things called, a thumbnail, and then I'm gonna try to edit this video so it can be up to you guys tomorrow. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I've been trying to go to bed by 9, get in the bed by 9 o'clock, and I tell you guys, this week I have yet to do it one time. Not one time. So yeah, I'm not accomplishing that task at all. So I need to do better. Help your girl out. And then I want to do 30 minutes of reading tonight. So I'm not doing social media right now, but currently I'm taking a little break to get my life in order, to organize. I feel like I was just getting so engulfed in social media. So when I always feel that way, I always go ahead and I take a break for maybe a week, and then I'll come back onto social media. But if I feel like it's still too much for me, I may just take 2 weeks off. Anyway, just to get back focused, regroup my mind. It's a lot of stuff going on social media. Excuse me, a lot of stuff been going on social media, and you're just getting engulfed in it. So I have some goals that I want to do. I want to do some reading tonight. My goal is to do like 30 minutes a night of reading, but I have yet to do that too. So if you guys have, it's so funny, my watch is telling me it's time for bed. You see that? It's blurry, but yeah, bedtime reminder. But yeah, I haven't even ate. So yeah, if you guys have any like ways, I can't even think, ideas, let me know in the comment section down below. How do you guys do it? Because y'all, I've been needing help. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. So I'm gonna stop yapping my gum so I can go ahead and finish editing this video and get this video that I'm editing up tonight. Hey guys, it is currently, the clock said 12:01, y'all. It is 12 o'clock in the morning. I'm just getting in the bed. I'm tired, but I'm not sleepy, if that makes sense. I'm getting ready to read. Phone up here vibrating. Getting ready to read this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Beep. I've had this book for a while. I think I mentioned it before in one of my vlogs. But y'all, I have not started reading this book. I think no, I haven't been getting ready to read this book. So what I did today is I went ahead and bought this book, or should I say ordered the books? I don't know, something on Audible. I went ahead and downloaded it on Audible. So I had to read this other book before for a book club. It was called Allegedly, was the name of the book, Allegedly. And so I was just not getting through the book fast enough for me. So I end up just getting it on Audible, and I'll just play the Audible, and as it's playing I actually just follow along in the book. So it's like a read with me. You know how when you were a kid, maybe, I don't know, you know how old you are, but you were a kid and they had like the read with me books. I don't know, I forgot what they were called, but anyway, that's what I realized is working for me, because if not, y'all, I just don't read the book. So I'm going to start there because I want to get through this book. And I believe it said it's only 4 hours long. So I'm definitely not about to get no 30 minutes in tonight, because now that my video, yeah, because by the time you see this video, that won't be up. My video, my engagement video, it should be uploaded. So I want to go ahead and upload it tonight. It's probably a bad idea to upload at 12 in the morning, my time. But I think I'm still going to do it anyway. I'm going to upload it and wish for the best. So if you're watching this vlog and you haven't went and watched my engagement vlog, it says, I think it's titled like I Have a Secret or something like that, life update. Go check that out, because I actually show you bits and clips of like my graduation dinner, because I was planning my graduation dinner. So it has bits and pieces of that in there, and also it has the engagement video too as well. Hopefully they get copyrighted, because y'all, it was some music playing in the background during the proposal, but hopefully it didn't get copyrighted, because I play a little music under there. So we're gonna pray about that. So yeah, my goal for today was to actually edit this video that we're recording right now and have it prepared for tomorrow. But since it's already 12 o'clock and it is tomorrow, that's probably not going to happen tonight. So I need to find me a method, because I really want to do Vlogmas. I just don't know how or what it looks like for me, because it'll be my first time doing Vlogmas. So I'm not sure, just because I don't know. I have a hard time managing my time. It's weird. I have a hard time managing my personal time, but my work time, to the T, be having everything done. But when it comes to everything else, not. So maybe I should just look at this as a job. Like, girl, you got a project every day. You got to get done no matter what. So yeah, it says it has 27 seconds left of processing. So I think I'm going to upload that video. But while that is doing its thing, I'm probably going to attempt. I'm not going to attempt. I'm going to read maybe a page or two of this, y'all. Bear, my Neff pup, aka he's my sister's puppy. We're puppy sitting this weekend, and y'all, he is knocked out sleep. One thing about him, he don't play about his sleep, because when he gets sleepy, he be chunking the deuces. You be looking for him, and he'll be in the bed. Y'all check him out with his pajamas on, though. Knocked out sleep. Just knocked out sleep. Then had to the mirror to be on my blanket. Y'all, too funny. Too funny. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, guys. But I'm going to end this vlog here. If you like this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions how I can get through Vlogmas successfully and the videos be popping, great quality of effort, because today your girl has been tired. But parking to sleep. Today your girl has been tired, so it's been a struggle today. So if you have any tips, tricks, trades, put them in the comment section down below. Let your girl know how we can get through Vlogmas together. But go ahead and like this video. I want to reach big goals out here with my YouTube channel, and I need your help. It's for free. Let's grow together. Let's do life together. And until next time, love ya. Bye.